Understanding misrule in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, misrule. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about English idioms and phrases, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and explore this interesting expression together. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is misrule? It's not a common phrase you'll find in everyday English. In fact, it seems a bit puzzling at first glance. But fear not, we're here to demystify it. Subsection 1.1. Breaking down the phrase. Misrule isn't a standard phrase in English, and you might not find it in dictionaries. It could be a misinterpretation or a misspelling of a couple of other phrases or terms. So, let's look at what it could be mistaken for. Misrule, as misrule. Misrule means a lack of rule or bad governance, usually in a political context. Misrule, in games. In some games, a misrule could refer to a penalty for missing a turn or play incorrectly. Subsection 1.2. Context is key. Understanding the phrase, misrule, heavily depends on the context in which it's used. Is it from a book? Is it part of a dialogue in a movie? Or is it a term from a specific field or game? Context can change the meaning entirely. Sometimes phrases like misrule arise from mishearings or misinterpretations. Let's clear up some common mistakes. Confusing misrule with missed rule. The latter could imply a rule that was overlooked or not followed. Hearing misrule instead of Mr. Rule. This could be a playful or informal way to personify a set of rules. To understand better, let's see how misrule might be used if it were a phrase, based on our earlier interpretations. As misrule, the king's misrule led to widespread discontent among the populace. In a game context, according to the misrule, if you skip your turn, you must draw 2 additional cards. Learning English can be tricky with phrases that are not clear-cut. Here are some tips. Always look for contextual clues to understand unfamiliar phrases. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if a phrase doesn't make sense. Remember, not every phrase you hear will be found in a dictionary. Idiomatic expressions and colloquialisms are a big part of English. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the confusing phrase, misrule, and equipped you with the tools to tackle similar challenges in English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll find that English is full of surprises. Until our next video, keep learning and take care.